Hello guys, today I will be discussing the measure of variability and group data. Measure of variability is consist of range, variance, standard deviation. So now I will be discussing the range. Range is the difference between highest and lowest value. In solving the range, we will use the formula range is equal to HB minus LV, where R is range, HB highest value, and LV is the lowest value. For example, given the scores of the following grade 11 students, 43, 46, 40, 39, 45, 42, 47, 50, 49, and 39. So we will find the range. Just simply write the formula, then from our given example, just identify the highest and the lowest value. So in this case, 50 is the highest value and the lowest value 39. So 50 minus 39 is equals to 11. So our range is 11. Variance. It measures how far each number in the set is from the mean. In finding the variance, we have to use the formula. So this is the formula. Sigma squared is equals to quantity x minus x bar squared over n, wherein sigma squared is the variance, x is their individual datum, x bar is the mean, and n is the population size. So we're going to use the same data to find the variance. In calculating the variance, we need first to set up a table with 3 columns. In our first columns, we're going to write the given data. So let's proceed to the second column. First step is to find the mean of the given data. In getting the mean, we have to add all the scores and divide it by how many numbers they are. So these are the given scores. We will just add them and divide it by the number of score, which is 10. So the sum is 440. 440 divided by 10 is equals to 44. So 44 is the mean. In solving the second column, we will just simply subtract whatever the x is, or the scores, minus the mean. So 44 minus 44 is equals to negative 1. 46 minus 44 is equals to 2. And so on and so forth. In the third column, we just have to square each answers from the second column. To square, negative 1 is equals to 1. 2 squared, that's 4. Negative 4, that's 16, and so on and so forth. After that, we're going to add them all. So the summation of that is 146. We are now ready to use the formula in finding the variance. So we're just simple divide 146 by the n, which is 10, and that is 14.6. And this will be our variance. The last one is the standard deviation. Standard deviation provides some idea about the distribution of scores around the mean. This is the symbol, the formula we use, where S represents the standard deviation, X is the individual datum, X bar is mean, and N is the population size. To solve the standard deviation, we will just have to get the square root of the variance. So variance while ago is 14.6. The square root of 14.6 using the calculator is 3.82. So our standard deviation is 3.82.